Hi, this is Michael Shore from the Community Partners in Autism Research Project. This is phase one of the project. We're looking at lessons learned from this as a community engagement forum on developing art partnerships with autistic people in research. Our project team is listed out here. Of particular note, Lillian Savard is the main coordinator behind the project. I am an autistic partner that has been involved earlier on in the project and have done some of the interviews and sessions involved, as well as participated in creating various material. Um, and Sophie Knox also helped put together some of the material in the poster, as well as Lillian Savard. Um, and here we also have various organizations we are connected with. Of particular note, this is partly a project of the UVM Autism Collaborative, which is our attempt at an interdisciplinary collaborative with people from the community and researchers at the University of Vermont. Um, in our design, we attempted to include a variety of people with a variety of needs from the beginning. Um, and part of our inclusive approach is to do a qualitative project where we don't have detailed information to ask questions that involve a lot of assumptions. Um, and we looked at different ways of providing support for autistic people and family members in the process, um, and focused on looking at people who had a variety of needs and characteristics. We had intellectually disabled participants, we had people who needed assistive communication, we had intellectually able participants, we had students, people from a variety of experiences and walks of life. We deliberately focused on ways of being inclusive uh, from the beginning of our project, and also how to recruit people who didn't just represent one segment of our community. We ended up recruiting 31 people, 16 non-autistic people and 17 autistic people, and it's broken down here by caregiver and non-caregiver. Notably, um, we have in the non-autistic group, everyone reported being either male or female. Um, in the autistic group, we have 6 people that didn't identify in those binary categories. Um, in terms of access needs, we found a variety of different things that people reported were most important to them. Granted that this might not be as representative of the types of things that could be included in this, given that we were partly basing things off of what prior research said in terms of when we prompted specific questions. Um, we found that uh, in terms of people who responded to some of these questions, that 94% of autistic participants felt understood and 100% felt respected. And I think the numbers were 100% on both for uh, non-autistic caregivers. At the end of the project, a lot of people were interested in joining the team. Um, Here are some questions that we are left with that we would love people's thoughts on as we go along. And as next steps, we plan to put together reports, training material, publications, and other types of things like that. And we are engaging partners in looking at how to go forward and take things further.